What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Going over how to accept Google Ads linking requests to a YouTube channel. So, first thing first, and I have to say this very first, do not use content that you are not allowed to use when it comes to you running Google Ads. Do not connect yourself to a YouTube channel that you don't have the permission to use. Do not use videos. Now, the difference there is you can target YouTube channels for your ads to run on. That's how your bumper ads appear on YouTube. But you cannot just take someone's channel and take someone's video and just run an ad with it. Okay, so let's just get that out of there. Don't pirate or use stuff that's not yours. Don't touch it if it's not yours. Okay, we all learned that when we were 5. Second, adding your YouTube channel to Google Ads. Now, you should be making content when it comes to your Google Ads. Whether it's long form or short form content, you need to be doing it regardless. Now, the best practices you should have is, first of all, you should start with 5-second videos, 10-second videos, 30-second videos, up to 1 minute. Horizontal and horizontal and vertical videos are great as well. Like I said, you want to have a plethora of videos, calls to actions. This could be stuff for specific content, brand awareness, or remarketing purposes. Make the content. So I know here on YouTube it says link a YouTube video to Google Ads. That's just for like one particular video. You want to have your own channel, and plus your channel gets the credit for it. So in order to add your channel to Google, you're going to want to go to your Google Ads account. And then over here, you're going to go to Tools and then Data Management. And you're going to see a screen similar to this. Now you're going to scroll down and you're going to want to find YouTube. Click on that. Now, Google's pretty smart, and if you're using if you have a YouTube channel already built out, that's already assigned to the email which you're using for your Google Ads account, it's probably going to go ahead and just say, hey, we recommend this. If that's there, just go ahead, hit link, it's going to link. If you don't see your YouTube channel by default under suggested channels, you can go ahead and hit link channel. Again, it's like saying, hey, we've already kind of found something here. So you get search, Pathfinder Digital Marketing. There I am right there. Hit next. Now, configure the settings. Send a link request to the channel owner. In this case, the channel owners happen to be me. Now you're going to see YouTube channel, email address, and the linking request is going to be sent out. Now, let's go ahead and jump to the emails. You're going to see an email similar to this, and then the Google Ads will show up, and you see this email, scroll down, you see this nice blue review link, go ahead, review link requests. It's going to pull up your YouTube creators dashboard, Google Ads account link, and you can name the link, Google Ads, keep it simple. You don't get too crazy with this. You hit link. You're going to see account links saved down here. Let's go and hop back to the ads account. Now you should see under the data manager tab where it says YouTube one account linked. And that's it. Now you can access the videos as you please, run ads, test them across YouTube, partners, all the fun stuff. You can do everything you need to do with your Google Ads. I hope this video helped. Want to learn anything else, let me know. Make sure to like, share, and follow. Really helps to keep the content free. Thanks.